Okay, so how was your night last night, Hannah?
Pretty well.
Alright, what'd you do?
What happened?
Hung out with Courtney.
Ah, okay. That was your first time hanging out, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know, by yourselves.
Yeah.
That is. Okay, so, details, like, what'd you do?
Well, you know, the usual, we watched movies, we ate dinner, we watched porno, we, played games.
Anything else after the porno?
Nah.
Are you
Nothing that I'm gonna tell you about.
What?
I got a message.
What?
Tell.
Tell what?
Tell. Mike, she won't tell. Son of a bitch.
She locked us in, didn't she?
Yeah, she did.
I kind of wanted a burger.
I want something to eat too. I need to get out of here.
Don't bother, man. It's like a tiger trap. This switches don't work. What did I tell you? It's a tiger trap! That's not helping anything!
Shit! We don't have the keys!
I don't want to leave! Hold on, I'll call her. I'll call her.
Give her a fucking call!
It's all your fault!
Shit! Will mode work?
Your car is killing us! It's your car! It's his fault! It's his fault!
What'd you do?
Alright, okay, alright, now are you gonna tell us?
I told him not to open the door!
What did you do?
I unlocked the door! So now you're gonna tell us?
No.
Where's my burger?
You're an asshole.
Let's go get a burger now.
You're not getting food.
Please!
Close your door.
What about Brittany's burger?
I think those snooty, uptight people didn't like us too much.
I'm traumatized.
Oh my god, you're embarrassing.
We didn't plan for this.
Ow! So now you're gonna tell us?
No.
Okay. Sorry. Good day, mates. Horn, test one, test one.